I need y'all help. I need y'all to tell me which one actually fits me the best. I grabbed a mix of browns, greens, and grays, and one that's just a little bit different just to see what actually works on me. All right, so we're starting off with Sunberry Brown. When I tell you she is that girl, baby, this is one of my heavy hitters. Y'all see the contrast? It really makes your eye pop. Compared to my original eye color, the lenses, the pigment, TTDEYE did they big one when they created this lens. Like, you see, it looks beautiful with glasses. Sunberry Brown, she eat out. Let's get into Crest Brown. Crest Brown, she is also that girl. First of all, I love that charcoaly gray overall tone that it has to it. It goes very well with the half up, half down. Again, she looks amazing with glasses. You could wear it with or without, but the overall payoff, the depth, the dimensions, it's doing what it got to do. And I feel like you could get away with wearing this lens every day. She is super duper pretty. Cookie green is really that green. I feel like it's not like a bright olivey green. It's more of a subtle something, like, again, that you could pull off every day. It goes well with my hair clipped up in that little claw clip. Okay, she is the star of the show. The girls on TikTok love cookie green down. And again, I was showing you guys what she looks like with glasses, without. Rome times olive green. Now, this one's actually olive green, and you know, it took me a while to find an olive green that was actually olive green. Like, look at those lenses. This has a lip ring too around it, but this is one tone overall. It doesn't have different shades of, well, just a little bit, but y'all get the drift. Okay, y'all. Armistar Grey. Armistar Grey. Y'all, when I tell y'all, look at these lenses. These are my favorite lenses. Look at the different dimension. This is not one flat color. The way they constructed these lenses, 10 out. Not even 10. Let's give these 1,000 because what? They are insane. Like, I am obsessed with these. These are my favorite pair. I don't care. I love these down bad. And when I say down bad, I don't know. It's giving Black Barbie, okay? Which one of these? Oh, Ramiro Grey. All right. Ramiro is like that ice. Okay. This is giving Icy Gray. And again, I love a gray that can be gray and not blue. Look at these. Okay. The detailing, I feel like this got a little bit of different gradients of grays in it, but it brings it all together. I'm in love. And I feel like the hair, everything, yes, it's chef's kiss. She cute. So the last pair is Rosewood Pink, and it kind of resembles Sunberry Brown and Crestwood Brown, but I kind of could go for Halloween with these just a tad bit because of the contrast on them. You know, in different lightings, I didn't know which person to channel, like the princess or, you know, the Walking Dead. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which lens looked best on me. Which one would you try for yourself? And until my next one, you go. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.